Just when we thought we couldn't get more receipts on the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard case, a leaked email from Adam Waldman to Johnny's legal team surfaced online, and the details are shocking. What did Adam reveal about Josh Drew and Rocky Pennington? Were they directly involved in an ambush attempt that would destroy Johnny for good? In the email that went viral online, Adam spoke about his interview with Josh Drew, where he suggested that his ex-wife, Rocky Pennington, and Amber waited in the apartment to ambush Johnny Depp. That email was about the events on May 21, 2016, when LAPD officers were called to the penthouse. First of all, Adam mentioned that Rocky and Amber's sworn stories that she was summoned by an 8:07 p.m. text to go help her with a berserk Johnny was a lie. According to Adam, Rocky was hiding in penthouse 5 all along, and almost certainly in the coat closet by the front door, which explained both the security guards' testimonies that Rocky never went past them and was already in the apartment when they entered. Adam specifically wrote that it made the whole thing a setup and discredited both Rocky and Amber's testimonies. Adam also wrote that Josh told him that Amber was sleeping with Elon Musk all week after the 21st, except on the 22nd when she was spotted in an elevator with James Franco. He also noted that on the night cops were called to the penthouse, there was a long gap between when Johnny left and when the cops actually arrived. And the reason for that, according to the email, was that they sat in PH3 and had a phone call with Amber's divorce lawyer, who guided them in writing it all down to get their stories right before calling the cops. Of course, that email shocked a lot of people, and one person wrote in response, "This could explain why Elaine used Josh's 2019 deposition at the trial. Amber sure didn't complain about this piece of evidence being suppressed. No idea why the UK judge wasn't able to know about this contradiction either." Someone else also wrote, "Maybe it's strange, but after what I've heard and read so far, I'm not shocked at all anymore, because I believe these shameless people are capable of all evil. I'm glad he made it out alive. In fact, I think that if they had continued, they would have gone to the last point." As for why the email never came up in court, an attorney explained it best by saying, "It's a prior inconsistent statement. Adam could have been called as a rebuttal witness to impeach Josh. The problem is, it might have opened doors as a waiver of privilege. If I couldn't record a witness interview, I'd have an investigator sit in on it, for exactly this reason." A lot of people also asked whether Johnny Depp could use the email in his appeal to try to overturn the jury's verdict on Adam Waldman's statement, which was the grounds for which Amber was awarded the $2 million. To that, one person responded, "No, because it wasn't brought up in this case. Can't bring new evidence in. If it was turned over in discovery and a ruling, they could. There are other ways to get his judgment changed, though." Other people also said that the email confused them even further, because if they were calling the cops for a second time to set up the hoax, why did they not rough the place up before the cops got there? Well, it's probably because they didn't expect the cops would insist on coming in, and that's why Josh was waiting for them in the hallway, telling them everything was okay and they weren't needed. They thought they'd turn around and leave, and certainly didn't expect the cops would have body cams. To other people, the email totally explained why Amber suddenly got so close to Josh, and one person wrote, "This is why she suddenly became besties with Josh. She needed him on her side. I wonder who was paying for his restaurant that he has been renovating since 2021. Looks super expensive." Of course, there are those who said that the email was probably fake, like one follower who said, "Anyone can type a fake email," as if Josh would not have been hammered on cross-examination by this in his deposition. You folks don't think things through. Well, real or not, it still makes us wonder what else could come up about exactly what happened between Amber and Johnny. We will definitely keep digging, so keep it here for all the juicy updates.